Okay. Hi students. In last class regarding linear equations in two variables, we have discussed about the method of substitution and method of elimination. In that, the type of the problems will be given directly in the standard form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Means a1x, b1y, c1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. If they given in that form, by the method of what they are asking, if they ask elimination method or substitution method, by that we can solve them. If they didn't ask, by our wish we can take any of those methods and we can solve them. Here one more problem we are going to discuss here by the method of either elimination or substitution. But before going to solve this problem, first we have to observe this whether is it in the standard form of linear equations, means these two given equations are in the standard form or not. Let us see here. Actual standard form is what? Some x quotient, y quotient, x quotient, y quotient, constant. But if you observe here, x is in the reciprocal form compared to the standard form, and in the given one, the x presented in the denominator, nothing but in the reciprocal form. In that case, we need to do some modification. Means this is another type of the problems how they will ask you. Even though that is not in the standard form, we need to convert it. How? Let us see here. In the given problem, we can write it as 2 by x plus 3 by y. I am writing it as 2 of 1 by x plus 3 of 1 by y equals to 13. Next one, 5 by x. Let us see here. 5 by x, I am writing it as 5 of 1 by x minus 4 times of 1 by y is equals to minus 2. Can we write it or not? Let us verify. 2 into 1 again 2 by x, 3 into 1 3 by y, 5 into 1 by x 5 by x, 4 into 1 by y 4 by y. We will get all of them. But why we are writing means, now these reciprocals we can take with other variables. Means let us take 1 by x equals to a and some 1 by y equals to b, and substitute b in the obtained one. Means 2 of 1 by x, nothing but is what? A. 2 of a means 2a plus 3 of what we have taken b, so it become what? 3b, so 3b equals to 13. Next here also, and 5 of 1 by x, 5 of means what? Into 5 into 1 by x we taken a, means 5 into a, 5a minus 4 into 1 by y, 1 by y b, 4b equals to minus. Now if we observe the results obtained here, verify are they in standard form or not. Clearly some a and b variables, but quotients 2, 3, 5 and minus 4, constants 13 and minus 2. We can take these constants to opposite side, they will converted into standard form. Means only we need to apply this logic while the given ones are in reciprocal form. We need to depend upon some another variables. What are they? We are taking here a and b. A and b. Means indirectly this problem involved with 4 variables. Means how can we find? Means first we have to take a. Means we have to find a and b from this obtained results equations. After getting a and b, if we substitute here, if we simplify this once again, you will get x and y. Means indirectly we are going to find 4 variables value. So once the equations converted into standard form, then solve them as per the methods of either elimination or substitution. Let us verify elimination. I am considering elimination. To do that, suppose I am considering here, I am going to eliminate b variable. What is that? B variable. If I want to eliminate b variable by the method of elimination, what are the steps? We have to equate coefficients of b in both equations. Now let us take them as some 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now see here, if I take 1 and 2, I am going to equate coefficients of b. Then what I have to do? Take the LCM of coefficients. What are they? LCM of 3 and coefficient 4. Don't take here symbol, means minus. Just take numerals 3 and 4. How much it is? And one more thing is, you may take given equations with 1, 2, and the obtained one you may also take with 3, 4. Okay, now that is no effect at all, but you may take, no problem. Originals 1, 2, 3, 4, or without also you may take directly here 1, 2. Whatever you are taking, we need to solve the equation. After getting LCM of b coefficients in equation 3 and 4, you are getting 12. Now 12 by first means third equation b coefficient 3. 12 by 3 how much? 4. So multiply equation 3 with 4 on both sides, then that become what? 4 into 2a plus 3b equals to 4 into 13, balancing. Okay, now both sides. Next, what will we get? See here, 4 2s are 8a, 4 3s are 12b equals to 4 into 13, 52. Next equation 4 into which number means 12 is the LCM and b coefficient 4. 12 by 4, what will we get? 12 by 4, 3. That 3 multiply equation 4 on both sides. And here also remember equation better to in circle and the numeral with only quoted marks, because we are multiplying with it. This is the for which equation we are applying modification. That's it. So 3 of 5a minus 4b equals to same 3 into minus 2. Now see here, 3 into 5 15a, 3 into 4 12b, plus into minus minus, symbol important, and equals to 3 into minus 2 plus into minus minus 3 to 6. Now these are the resultant equations. We can again name them as 5 and 6 also. Now after once b coefficients equalated, as per elimination we have to solve them, and already we discussed, we learned about that while solving them, if the symbols are same you have to do subtraction, if the symbols are different you have to do addition. Here the symbols are opposite, different, addition. I am doing addition. 8a plus 15a, what will we get? 23a plus 12b minus 12b, eliminated means b variable eliminated, elimination method justified here, is equals to 52 minus 6. What is the result? 46 plus 46, because 6 is less number. From this a equals to what will we get? 46 divided by 23. 23 ones are 23 2s are correct. Therefore the value of a is how much? 2. Now if we substitute a equal to 2 in any one of the equations either 3 or 4, we will get the value of b. After getting a and b, we can get x and y. How? Suppose a equal to 2 we are getting. What is a actually? But a equal to what? Actually 1 by x, isn't it? No, 1 by x equal to a, nothing but a equal to 1 by x. This a is also equal to what you have get? 2. Now from this condition, get the value of x. How? Do cross multiplication or mutual transposition. What will we get? 1 by 2. If you take here, isn't it now? 1 by 2 equal to x. Means therefore x equals to 1 by 2. X equals to 1 by 2. Now substitute a equal to 2 in 3 or 4, you will get b value. Once if you get b value, substitute here, and same process if you apply, you will get y value. So this is a procedure. If the problems are not in standard form, we need to convert them into standard form by depending upon two more new variables. We have to find first those two new variables. After getting new variables, we have to get the original variables in the given problem. So this is the method. Now let us do one more problem based upon the reciprocal forms. If you observe in this one also, these two given problems are not in standard form. If they are in standard form, that should be in the form of ax plus by plus constant equals to 0. But the given equations are not in that standard form. So we need to convert them into standard form by depending upon two new more variables. So what are they? Let us take here this 5. Can we write here 5 times of 1 by x plus y? Yes. And it is minus 2 of 1 by x minus y equals to minus 1. Similarly in the second, let us take them as equation 1 and equation 2. In the second equation, 15 times of 1 by x plus y plus 7 times of 1 by x minus y equals to 10. Now here let us take in these two, let y equals to some p and 1 by x minus y equals to q. You may take any of the variables, but other than x and y you have to take a, b, p, q, u, v, whatever you may take. So let us, I am taking here p and q. Then substitute here, what I will get if I substitute 5, 1 by x plus y value p. 5 of p means 5 into p, 5p minus 2 into, what is that, q, 2q equals to minus 1. Next 15 into 1 by x plus y is what, p. Next plus 7 into 1 by x minus y we have taken q equals to 10. Now if you observe, are they in standard form or not? Yes, obviously. X coefficient means variables are p and q, p coefficient, q coefficient, and here also like that. Means variables, coefficients and constants. Let us name them as equation 3 and equation 4. Now solve these equations. And here if you observe symbols are opposite, you better equalate these coefficients. Means do the elimination method by equalating these coefficients. To do that, what we have to take? LCM of this 2 and 7. What will we get? LCM of 2 and 7. LCM of 2 and 7. Different numbers, product. If we have different numbers, product. 2 into 7, what is that? 14. Now 14 and first equation means third equation q coefficient 2. 14 by 2, what will we get? 2, 7, so 7. Next 14 by fourth equation q coefficient 7. How much it is? If you do 14 divided by 7, you will get 2. So equation 3 multiplied with 7, equation 4 multiplied with 2. Let us do equation 3 into, what is that? 7. 7 implies, so 7 times of both sides. 5p minus 2q equals to 7 into minus 1. Next equation 4 multiplied with what? 2. So 2 into 15p plus 7q equals to 2 into 10. Now see, 7 into 5. 7 5 is 35p. Next 7 into 2, 14, plus into minus minus 14q equals to 7 into minus 1, 7. Next 2 into 15t, 30p plus 2 into 7, 14q equals to 2 into 10, 20. And we are going to solve them. Elimination method, it is going to be eliminated. Opposite symbols, what we have to do? Addition. So I am adding. So if I do addition, 35 plus 30, 5 and 3 plus 3, 6, 65p, q eliminated. 20 and minus 7, no? So 20 minus 7, 30. From this p value is what? P is equals to 13 by, if you transpose the opposite side, 65. 13 table directly, 13 1 is 13 5. What we are getting? 1 by 5. P equals to 1 by 5. But what is P substitute there? What we assumed? P nothing but 1 by x plus y equals to P. Okay, now that P value we got it as 1 by 5. If you observe here, 1 by x plus y equal 1 by 5, this is in reciprocal form. If we reciprocal on both sides, that become what? X plus y by 1, 5 by 1. Nothing but it become simply x plus y equals to 5. Now, standard form we have got it. So, let us name it as sum 5. So, we have got one equation in x and y. Now, let us take, to find q value, if you find q, you will get another equation in terms of same x and y. What is that p? You have got 1 by 5 now. So, substitute p equals to 1 by 5 in equations 3 or 4. Let us take in equation 3 and take it. So, see here 5 p, equation 3, 5 p, p value we got it as 1 by 5, minus 2 q equals to minus 1. Now 5 get cancelled, you will get here 1 and transfer this 1 to opposite side, plus 1 become what? Minus 1. So minus 2q equal minus 1 and it is also minus 1. The result is minus 2. Now from this we have to find only q. So q equal minus 2 divided by minus 2. So minus minus cancel to 1. So what will we get? Q equal to 1. So therefore q equals to 1. But what is q? See here, 1 by x minus 1. So substitute here. Okay, we got q equals to 1. But what is q? We assume to know what it as 1 by x minus 1. That equals to q. That q value we got it as 1. So 1 by x minus y equals to 1. Nothing but can be read as 1 by 1. Then take its reciprocal. X minus y equals to 1. Or if you do cross multiplication, 1 into 1, 1. X minus y into 1, x minus y. Here also 5 into 5, 5 into 1, 5. X plus y into 1, x plus y. Now take this equation as 6. Actually in the given problem, what they are asking? Find the values of x and y. That to find x and y, we depend upon some p and q variables. After getting p and q, we are getting standard form of x and y equation. Now let us solve it. And if you observe, both the coefficients are with 1 1 only, but y with plus symbol with minus. You better add 5 plus 6. Equation 5 and 6. If we add, what we will get? X plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. What we are doing? Addition. So plus y minus y cancel. X plus x. 2x equals to 5 plus 1, 6. So x equals to 6 by 2. 2 1 ja 3. So you have got x equals to 3. Now substitute x equals to 3 in either 5 or 6. So let us take in 6 suppose. What is that? X minus y equal to 1. So 3 minus y equals to 1. So minus y equals to 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means minus 2. So minus y equal to minus 2. Both side minus, minus cancel or apply effect of minus. Minus into minus it becomes plus. Here also multiply minus into minus it becomes 2. It becomes 2. Y equals to 2. So therefore finally the solution x comma y equals to, what is that? X we have got it 3 and y it is that's. So this is a solution of if the problems are given in that form. Okay na? In some problems if they give a reciprocal, we need to depend upon some 2 more new variables. After that we have to find first those 2 variables, new variables. Once if we get them, we have to convert them into standard form of equations in x and y. Then we have to find x and y. Means once if you observe, in this type of problem, we need to solve the problem how many times? 2 times. See here we have solved now 1 time and here also we have solved another time. So this is the way of how to find the solution for the problems given in that different form, reciprocals form. Once if we get solution 3 comma 2 or whatever, if you substitute there, we can verify whether the solution is correct or not. We can verify whether it is correct or not. So this is the way of finding the solution. Okay na? So in the next class we will discuss about verbal problems. Means how the problems will be given not in the direct form. Okay na? If they won't give in this direct form, they will give certain data. Based upon their data, we have to write the equations. Then we have to solve them. That class we are going to discuss in the next one.